I can give you what is due you, but hanggang ano na binigay nyo. Pagkatapos wala na akong maibibigay, hindi ko napipigay sa sarili ko magbigay sa inyo. Hulugan ko na lang, uutangan ko na lang. But you cannot force me to give it to you immediately. Kasi you're unable to collect also. You only did so much. Your best is not enough. Let him go already. Let him go. We cannot afford to pay his professional fee already. Diba? Yung sinasabi nyo sa akin ng isang agaw, hindi ko na kailangan. May binabagay sa akin, may nagsasabing tao, sumama ka na sa akin, hayaan mo sila saan gusto sumama. The time will come, magkikita-kita ulit kami. The time will come, magkikita-kita ulit kami. And dyan ako, when I'm already in position, lalo na, in aid of legislation, titigahin ko yan. And dyan ako, when I'm already in position, lalo na, in aid of legislation, titigahin ko yan. Then get in this same situation. Hindi ko pa nakuha kay Raymond yung resignation niya. If you can text him already. Tell him to come here between 11 to 12 kasi i-release ko na yung 13th month. With the resignation.
So, yung magpapasa pa ako ng resignation sa...
Yes. If not, you will not get your 13th month pay. If not, you will not get your 13th month pay. If not, you will not get your 13th month pay. If not, you will not get your 13th month pay. Tapusin mo na bantayan na lang tapusin yung tenure of 5. Go! Let them go! Let them go! Let them go! Gawin yung lahat. Eventually, your best might not be enough. Sino rin babayad the rest? Ako rin eh. Di ba? Kung mo sabihin sa akin, kayo babayad. Sino babayad? Sino? Hindi ba ako rin? Di ba? So unfortunately, I will shoulder that. That is why I don't like. Ayaw ko na mag-abuno.